Myself, Naveen K. I'm studying in first year MBA Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Sections B, subject Statistics for Managers 104, Topics, Features and Functions of Statistics. Meaning of the statistics. Statistics is the branch of mathematical that deals with the collections of data, analysis and interpretations and presentations and organizations of the data. In other words, in singular sense. In this sense, statistics refer to a single price of a data or summary measures such an average of a percentage. In plural sense, in this sense, statistics refer to the collections of the data, methods and techniques used to analyze and interpreting the data. Definitions of statistics. Oxford Dictionary. Statistics is the study of the collections of the data, analyzing, interpretation and presenting and organizations of the data is called as statistics. In the other words, International Statistics Institute. Statistics is the science and arts of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, presenting and organizing data, extract meaningful information, support to decision making. Here are the key features of the statistics. First point is dealing with the data. Statistics involve collecting, the analyzing and interpreting and presenting and organizing the data. Next point is use of probability. Statistics use of probability theory to analyzing and interpreting data, especially in case of the uncertainty. Next point is analyzing the variability. Statistics helps to analyzing and understanding the variability in data, which is essentially for making information decisions. Next point is scientific method. Statistics uses the scientific method to collect and analyzing the data, draw conclusions and making a decisions. Next point is objectivity. Statistics aims to a objectivity using the quantitative data and statistical methods to minimize the basis. Next point is use of quantitative data. Statistics relies on quantitative data which can be measured and expressed numerically. Functions of statistics. Data collections. Data collections. The collections of the organizations and presentations of their data are basics background material for learning descriptive and informational statistics and their applications. Methods of the collecting data on the basis of the sources of collection data may be classified as a primary data and secondary data. First one is primary data. The data which are originally collected and investigators or agency for a first time for the statistically investigations and used by them in the statistically analyzing are the terms as the primary data. Second one is secondary data. On the other hand, the data published and unpublished which have already has been collected and processed by some agencies or persons and taken over from there and used by any other agency for their statistical work are termed as a secondary data. Next point is comparisons. After the simplifying the data is can be corrected as well as compared. The relationship between the two groups is the best represented by the certain mathematical qualities like average or coefficient and etc. In comparisons is the one of the main functions of the statistics as the absolute figures convey very less meaning. Next point is formations and testing of the hypothesis. This is the statistical method help to use in a formulating and testing the hypothesis or new theory with helps to the statistical techniques. We can know the effect of imposing tax on the export of a tea on the consumptions of a tea other countries. The other examples could to be study the whether credited quasi of the effective in checking the inflections or not. Next point is policy making. With helps of a statistics, we can frame the favorable policies. How much food is required to be improved in 2007? It depends on the food productions in 2007 and demand for the food in 2007. Without knowing these factors, we cannot be estimate the amount of imposed on the basis of forecast the government forms and policies about the food grants housing and etc. But if the forecasting is the not corrective, then the whole set of the will be affected. Next point is to measure uncertainty. Future is the uncertainty, but statistics help the various authorities in all the phenomenon of the world to make a correct estimations by taking and analyzing the various data of the part, so the uncertainty could be decreased as have a to make a forecast. We have also create trend behaviors of the past for the. Next point is forecasting. Statistics is not only for concerns with the above the functions but is also predict the future courses of the actions of the phenomenon. We can make future policies of the basis of estimations made with the help of statistics. We can predict the demand for the goods in 2005 if we know the population 2004 on the basis of the growth rate of opportunity populations in past. Similarly, a businessman can exploit the market situations in the successful manner if he know about the trend in the market. The statistical help in shaping the future. Next point is to measure the uncertainty. Future is the uncertainty but the various authorities in the all the phenomenon of the world to take a make corrective estimations by taking and analyzing the various data of the part, so uncertainty could be decreased as we have make a forecast. We have also created the trend behaviors of the past for the which we use a technique like regressions, interpolations and time series analysis. Conclusions of the functions of the statistics. Statistics plays a vital role of the extracting insight of the data information's decision making and driving progress in various fields. The functions of the statistic including the data collections, analysis, interpretations, presentations and decision making enable to understand the complex phenomenon, identifying the patterns and relationship and predict the future trends. Thank you.